I'm doing it for my daughter.
He's a big lover of the GOONCave.
You can go in on like that side, and like I'll open the door on this side if you want to, or the other way around.
All right, cool.
Or I can go on the other side.
All right. All right. So this is a trapdoor, right? Then there's another trap. There's another door here. What? Then
Hey guys.
this is the GOONCave. It's not too glamorous out here, but you know, it gets the job. Give you
It to me too if you
give
want.
you an aerial view.
Yeah.
Here, I guess you can.
Here.
Let's demonstrate the XX.
Sex? Yeah. What the hell? Are you going fucking in the ass?
Yeah, like
What are you doing?
Like that?
Are you scissoring? What
this
the fuck?
GOONCave, baby.
No, gooning. This is not gooning. Someone, is that your bait?
Where?
Right there.
Yes, it is.
But yeah, this is the GOONCave. It's nothing too glamorous. It's just.
Do you see that?
I know I wish TTS was on.
I know.
And there's Shinji. Here, Shinji, you point. You're Shinji. Ooh. That's Shinji.
China.
That's Shinji.
That's
It's Shinji-san.
on this.
Do you want me to take it?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hello guys.
Is there any other blind spot? Restroom?
What?
Restroom? Restroom.
We'll show them the full view of the restaurant.
Yeah.
The restrooms. Alright, so we can do that, yes. Give them a unblurred version of the restrooms. Yeah. This is bedroom 3 restroom. Looks nice, right? Looks fantastic. Look at that blue toilet.
Yeah. I diarrhea.
That's why you diarrhea?
Oi, oi, oi.
Diarrhea on the.
Oi, oi, oi.
The restroom too. Alright. And doghouse inside. Inside of the doghouse.
We got new toilets.
Woo!
There we go. It works now.
Skibidi toilet.
It works now, as you guys probably knew. Yes, this is the toilet. Look at the shower. This is where I shower most of the time. Pretty good, eh? Okay. I laughed when I saw that. I was like, no way.
Slowly.
I want to see. Wait for a few days here.
Okay.
So you have to be.
Hi, Chew.
Look at Trish, she's beautiful.
Look at my injury.
Fresh can. Fresh boobs.
Trish Cam.
Trish. You seen Trish Beauty. Room
You have to
3.
be.
It smells funky in here.
So you have to
Yeah.
be.
Traumatized. Everyone's traumatized.
There's still
This
permanent
room-
sand.
The room itself is traumatized.
Little
The room
monkey.
will never be.
Oh, the little guy. Yes.
Yeah, never.
The little guy. Get this
The
fucking
energy
thing
in
out of
here
my
is
face.
insane.
Yes, this guy. People
I
are
mean, it's
okay.
not-
I hope
no,
someone's
it's
It's
taking.
like dark. The dark energy in
It's
here.
not good.
Yeah.
So, Thai cigarettes.
Oh my god! Look at all of Ty's cigarettes. Impressive.
These are fan favorite. Close it.
I say closet.
Close it. Tayleigh, say hi to the people.
Hi! That's wild.
Point of view of Tayleigh. Now you.
And dog house inside? Inside of the dog house.
Sure. Well, I think we can kind of see it though. Maybe not that.
But I don't know. POV inside can I check?
My hands are sweaty.
Like. Then you can see that this scenery.
Oh wait, look at show me Delaney's.
Okay.
I think
My name is
Delaney,
Brittany.
and I'm damaged goods. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing with my life, which at this point is pretty much indicative that I'm not going anywhere. I can't read that. Cool. Being on this show is basically the last chance I have at doing anything worth a good god damn. I scare people, be lime simultaneously desperate and not desperate, because I don't know, something like that at all. I am a Libra sun. Astrology is extremely fake and gay and should not be normalized under any circumstances ever. I'm setting my fire and perceiving my place. And you kill the 𝐁𝐸𝐽𝐸.
EXO.
It's the Shinji show.
I know,
No.
it's honestly so much fun, like, carrying it around. I could be a good camera person.
Cameraman. DJ. You're
Me?
yeah, no, I yeah.
Okay.
You're a reporter.
Alright, I'm a reporter.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's a lot. Here.
This is fucking.
Here's the.
This is fucking.
That milk is going to fucking smell like ass tomorrow.
Yeah, look at all the milk on the table.
What is this? Autocrat coffee syrup. I don't know. I don't really know anything about coffee. Trish Militia. Savor this moment.
What up, gang?
What up, what up?
All the other milk that's going to smell like ass tomorrow. Here we see a gamer in her natural element.
On a brain.
A gamer.
Gay.
Gamer. Ooh. See, look at the gamer evolve and learn. Adapt to the circumstances held before her. The gamer learns and the gamer matures. Do not underestimate the gamer. Oh my god, this is...
It's intense.
I died.
Here, Shinji, should we show them?
Oh, hey, could you light my cig?
Sure.
You got a light? It's so weird. I feel like a monkey in a zoo, you know?
Monkey.
I feel like I'm Jacksepticeye or something.
Jacksepticeye.
I'll see you next time.
Oh, yeah, how he starts, where he's like...
Top of the moorlands.
There's your Irish side coming out.